Good day everyone. This topic is all about the effect of drug abuse. Ano ba yung effect of drug abuse? Ito yung nakakaapekto sa ating katawan kung saan nagkakaroon tayo ng damage tulad ng kidney, heart, liver disease. Ito ay isang uri ng gamot kung saan maraming magiging epekto sa atin. Lalo na sa ating utak, ito ay marami tayong mararamdaman kung anong-anong nang iniisip. Introduction. Despite the seemingly tame and glamorized idea of drug use, it must be remembered that it can still lead to abuse, addiction, legal offenses, serious health problems, and even health. Drugs are chemicals that affect the body and brain. Different drugs can have different effects. Some effects of drugs include health consequences that are long-lasting and permanent. They can even continue after person has stopped taking the substance. Ibig sabihin, ang droga ay may posibilidad na manatili o tuluyan ng masira ang ating pag-iisip hanggang sa umantong ito sa pag-aabuso, addiction, legal offenses, serious health problem, at maging sa kalusugan. Ang droga ay isa itong kemikal na nakakaapekto talaga sa ating katawan at utak. May iba't ibang klaseng gamot at ito ay iba't iba ding epekto sa ating katawan hanggang sa tuluyan ng maging long-lasting and permanent. Maaari pa nga silang magpatuloy pagkatapos na huminto ang isang tao sa pag-iinom. Drug misuse o maling gamit, abuse, and addiction can all lead to both short-term and long-term health effects. The effect of drug abuse depends on the type of drug, any other substance that a person is using, and their health history. May iba't ibang klaseng gamot at ito'y iba't iba ding epekto sa ating katawan hanggang sa tuluyan ng maging long-lasting and permanent. Maaari pa nga silang magpatuloy pagkatapos na huminto ang isang tao sa pag-iinom. Short-term effect. Drugs are chemical compounds that affect the mind and the body. The exact effect vary among individuals and also depend on the drug dosage and delivery method. Using any drug, even in moderation or according to medical prescription, can have short-term effect. For instance, consuming 1 or 2 servings of alcohol can lead to mild intoxication. A person may feel relaxed, uninhibited, or sleepy. Nicotine from the cigarette and other tobacco products raises blood pressure and increase alertness. Short-term effect, ito yung sinasabi ng panandaliang epekto. Drug or chemical compound that affect the mind and the body. Yes, the exactly effect vary among individual or depende lang kung ano yung lakas ng gamot na tinitik o pag-deliver. Drug according to medical prescription, ito yung sinasabi nilang panandalian lang daw. Tulad ng 1 or 2 serving of alcohol can lead mild to intoxication. Sa isang tao, mararamdaman nila yung pag-relaxed, uninhibited, or sleepy. Nicotine from cigarette or tobacco product ay nagkakaroon ng blood pressure or pagiging hindi maalerto. Abusing a drug or misusing a prescription medication can produce other short-term effects such as change in appetite. Ito yung pagbabago ng panglasa o walang gana. Sleepiness or insomnia. Ito naman yung walang tulog. Increase in heart rate, ito naman yung lakas ng tibok ng ating puso. Slurred speech, ito yung walang control o putak na putak sinasabi nila. And change in cognitive ability, a temporary sense of euphoria, loss of coordination. Drug abuse can affect aspects of a person's life behind their physical health. People with substance use disorder, for example, may experience an inability to cease using a drug, relationship problem, poor work or academic performance, difficult maintaining person hygiene, genes and appearance such as extreme weight loss, increased impulsivity and risk-taking behavior, loss of interest and form enjoyable activities. Long-term effect. Drug abuse, especially over an extended period, can have numerous long-term health effects. Chronic drug use trusted source can alter a person's brain structure and function, resulting in long-term psychology effects such as depression, anxiety, panic disorder, increased aggression, paranoia, hallucination. Sa long-term effect, ito yung mahabang panandalian ng gamot or effect ng gamot sa iyo kung marami ka nang nainom at ito ay mas malalang nagkakaroon ka ng mga guni-guni, depression, or anumang wala kang himik sa inyong ginagawa. Tulad ng nagiging depressed ka or malungkot, sadness, and balisa, wala sa sarili, walang control kung may nasasaktan ba o wala, delusion o maling akala, guni-guni. Yun ang maraming karanasan mong magiging epekto ng drugs. Sa long term, ito ay may epekto sa isang tao na masisira yung memory, yung pagkakaintindi, at yung pagko-concentrate sa isang bagay o gawain mo. The long-term physical effect of a drug is very dependent on the type of a drug and the duration of use. However, experts have linked chronic drug use with the following health and condition: cardiovascular disease, respiratory problem, kidney damage, liver disease, overdose. Cardiovascular disease, stimulants such as cocaine and the methamphetamines can damage the heart and blood vessels. The long-term use of this drug can lead to coronary artery disease, arrhythmia, and heart attack. Dito sa cardiovascular disease, ito yung nagkakaroon disease yung ating puso kung saan nasisira yung ating heart and nadadamage yung blood vessels, yung daloy ng dugo. And then nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag nilang heart attack. Respiratory problems, drugs that people smoke or inhale can damage the respiratory system and lead to chronic respiratory infection and diseases. Upload slow a person breathing by binding to specific receptors in the central nervous system that regulate the respiration by depressing a person's respiration. These drugs can lead to slow breathing or very snoring. A person may stop breathing entirely if they take a large dose or of an opioid or take it alongside other drugs such as sleep or alcohol. Kidney damage. The kidney is filter access the mineral and waste product from the blood. Iron, ketamine, and synthetic cannabinoids can cause kidney damage or kidney failure. Liver disease. Chronic drug and alcohol use can damage the liver cells, leading to inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. Overdose. Taking too much of drug, taking multiple drugs together can result in overdose. Pag gumagamit tayo ng gamot na masobrahan o ma-overdose, nagkakaroon talaga ito ng epekto o masisira ang ating bahagi ng katawan or kalusugan.
The effects of drug abuse on health. The effects of drug abuse depend on the type of drug na tinitake mo. Using drug, even moderation can have short-term effect and long-term effect. Kung gaano karami at gaano kadalas mo ito tinitake, pag nasobrahan ang pag-take mo, halos lahat ng organ ng katawan mo is maapektuhan. Side effects of drug addiction may include a weakened immune system, increasing the risk of illness and infection. Siyempre, kung mahina ang immune system natin, maraming sakit ang ma-adapt ng body natin. Heart condition ranging from abnormal heart rates to heart attack and collapsed veins and blood vessels infection from injected drugs. Heart condition means if someone taking a drug, then hindi normal ang heartbeat niya. In science, the sound of our heart is lab-dab. If abnormal heartbeat natin, maybe it should be lab-dab-dab or either low or fast beating. Nausea in abdominal pain, which can also lead to change in appetite and weight loss. Meaning, if maiba ang panlasa natin, di tayo makakain ng maayos. If we can eat well, we can lose weight, right? Increased strain on the liver, which put the person to a risk of significant liver damage or liver failure. If you take illicit drug, then your liver will damage as time pass by. Seizures, stroke, mental confusion, and brain damage. You don't know what to do if you have a brain damage or makulang na ang pag-iisip mo. Lungs disease, nahihirapan kang huminga. Problem with memory, attention, and decision-making which make daily living more difficult. Di mo na alam ang gagawin mo wherein di mo na maalala ang isang bagay na nagawa mo. Global effects of drug on the body, such as development in men and increase the body temperature which can lead to other health problems. Brace development of men means unti-unti nang lumalaki ang brace nila dulot sa pagka-addict sa paggamit ng droga. Ang umiinit na katawan nila para bang sinusunog. Effects of drug addiction on the brain. All drug, nicotine, cocaine, marijuana, and other affect the brain's reward circuit, which is the part of the limbic system. This area of the brain affects senses and mood. Drug target this system, which causes a large amount of dopamine, a brain chemical that helps regulate emotion and feelings of pleasure, to flow the brain. This flow of dopamine is what causes a high. It's one of the main causes of drug addiction. All thoughts, initial drug use may be voluntary drugs can alter brain chemistry. This can actually change how the brain performs and interfere with a person's ability to make choices. It can lead to intense craving and compulsive drug use. Over time, this behavior can turn into a substance dependency of drug and alcohol addiction. Alcohol can have short and long-term effect on the brain and disrupt the brain's communication pathways. This can influence mood, behavior, and other cognitive function. Brain damage may also occur through alcohol-induced nutrition defenses, alcohol-induced seizures, and liver disease. In pregnant women, alcohol exposure can impact the brain of unborn babies, resulting the fetal alcohol spectrum disorders. It is reported that alcohol-induced brain problems can often be corrected with proper treatment. Abstinence from alcohol for months or years can help partially repair thinking abilities like memory skills. Drug effects on behavior. Substance use disorder can lead to multiple behavioral problems both in the short and long term, which can include paranoia. Is the irrational and persents feeling that people are out to get. There are main types of paranoia include paranoid personality disorder, delusional disorder, and paranoid schizophrenia. Aggressiveness, refers to a range behaviors that can result in both physical and psychological harm to yourself, others, or object in the environment. Hallucinations, the experience of perceiving objects or events that do not have an external source, such as hearing one's name called by a voice that no one else seems to hear. Addiction is a inability to stop using substance or engaging in a behavior even thought it is causing psychological and physical harm. Impaired judgment means that a person does not sufficiently understand or appreciate the relevant fact necessary to make an informed decision. Impulsiveness, individuals make risky choices motivated more by immediate reward than potential long-term negative consequence. Loss of self-control, the ability to control behavior in order to avoid temptation and to achieve goals.
Effects of drug abuse on unborn babies. Illicit drug use poses risks for pregnant women and their babies. Drugs may contain impurities that can be harmful to an unborn baby. Pregnant women who use drugs may be more likely to harm the fetus with risky behaviors and poor nutrition. Drug use can lead to premature birth or low birth weight. That means it may delicate to a baby if his or her mother uses drugs, which is illicit drugs that may contain impurities that is harmful to an unborn baby. How does drug abuse affect society and you? Those who abuse drugs and alcohol are more likely to engage in risk-taking behaviors, have a higher co-occurrence of mental disorders, and are more likely to be incarcerated for crimes committed that non-drug using individuals. The burden in terms of cost, trauma, and influence on the nation's youth is substantial. That means those persons who abuse drugs and alcohol, it may cause him or her mental disorders, wherein he or she is lightheaded or dizzy. And it because of drug abuse, the users do unexpected crimes and it may lead them to put in jail. And that's the reason that may cause them trauma. Next, how drug abuse impacts families. Those closest to a drug-addicted individual are the hardest hit. Common patterns emerge within families where at least one individual is addicted to drugs. These patterns include high levels of criticism or negativism within households, parental inconsistency, or in the case of parents coping with a drug-addicted child, denial. Misdirected anger between drug-addicted and non-addicted family member is common, as it's self-medication as a strategy in coping with family dysfunction. The next video will show you how drug abuse impacts families.
Who is it? Ma, let me in. Ma, let me in. Hey, Ma. Ma? Hey, Ma? Hang in there, Ma. Ma, is that you?
Yeah.
Ma? Ma? Are you there?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Ma. Hi. Hi. Listen, I need you to help me out, alright? I need you to give me some money, okay? I need you to give me like $5, like $20, something like that, because I'm in some trouble. Ma, do you hear me, Ma?
Yeah, I hear you. I can't help you.
Okay, listen. What you gotta do is give me some money, okay?
Jim, I can't do that.
Why not? Mom, you know I'm not gonna do anything with it. I need to go out of town for a little while because I got into some trouble and I need some help with it. Okay, so you gotta give me some money, Mom. Can you hold my hand?
Yeah,
Mom?
put your hands.
Mom, can you give me some money, please? Mom, can you give me some money, please? Stop fucking around!
I can't.
Mom, give me some fucking money, please! What are you doing? I'm your son!
I don't have it.
Mom, don't fuck around like this! Give me some money! Mom! Come on! Let me in the fucking door! Oh, God! Oh, fuck! Let me in! I need some money! I need some money real bad! Oh, fuck!
Someone's breaking into my apartment. They have a knife.
Mom! You don't understand, Mom. You don't know what you're fucking doing to me. Mom, I'm in pain. How could you do this to your son, you bitch? You fucking bitch!
So, you've already watched the presented video wherein a mother had to accept that her son is a drug addict and only she can do is to report her son to a police officers to teach him a lesson, or let me say that to stop using drug because it may affect to himself, his physical, mental, and also his health. Next, codependent relationships often form between partners, where at least one partner is addicted to drugs, and the majority of domestic disputes involve the use of alcohol or drugs. Children with one or more parents abusing drugs are more likely to take on the responsibility of the parental rule, often functioning in denial of their parents' addiction or behaviors relating to the addiction. These children commonly lack necessities, including shelter, and have little to no health care. And sometimes, there's a lot of neglected children wherein no shelter and no health care because their parents are addicted using drugs and alcohol. And of course, we can deny that we've always watched a video about that case or situation. Strain of drug addiction on employers and co-workers. Co-workers of drug-addicted people take on additional responsibilities at work to accommodate decreases in productivity. They also work longer hours, covering for drug-addicted individuals who fail to show up as scheduled. Someone working while under the influence of drugs and alcohol is at higher risk of workplace-related injury, resulting in increased insurance premiums passed on to employers and co-workers. Strain on healthcare system. Addiction is a chronic disease in this country. If you add up the annual accumulative costs of treatment for all brain-related diseases and double it, that's nearly the amount spent on addiction each year. Much of the money supporting the medical costs associated with drug addiction is absorbed by hospitals and taxpayers, with approximately 20% of Medicaid dollars and 1 in 4 Medicare dollars going to drug addiction-related expenses. The healthcare burden relating to drug abuse alone exceeds $180 billion annually. Crime and drug addiction. Drug-related incarcerations make up more than 50% of federal prison populations and nearly 20% of state prison populations. Annual cost average across 50 states for state prison populations is greater than $32,000 per inmate, with federal states averaging more than $26,000 per person, and the average drug-specific crime resulting in prison sentences of between 3 and 9 years. Taxpayers shoulder the burden of $45 billion for state prisons and $144 million for federal prisons annually. The majority, approximately 80% of incarcerated individuals has or is currently abusing illicit drugs or alcohol. Drug abuse is associated with substantial increases in rates of violent crime. Alcohol is a factor in 40% of the nearly 500,000 violent crime arrests made annually. So, how drug abuse affects society? Increase in child custody losses, increase in child abuse and neglect, increase in addiction, risk for children of drug-addicted parents, increase in domestic disputes, increased rates of homelessness and poverty, substantial financial health care burden, increased rates of co-occurring mental disorders, increase in insurance premiums, taxes, increased strain on co-workers, increase in the number of people incarcerated in state and federal prisons, increase in the rates of violent crimes on college campuses, losses in revenue for businesses and universities. So, what is drug addiction? Drug addiction is a complex illness with far-reaching consequences for those who know, work with, and support the drug-addicted individual. Even if you don't know someone who is abusing drugs directly, you are likely impacted in other ways, whether through taxation, paying higher insurance premiums, and college tuition, or in picking up hours at work. Drug addiction knows no boundaries.
What are the effects of drugs on our body? Any substance that can change the physiology of the body is known as a drug. A drug affects both the working of your brain and body. Food and water also change the functioning of our bodies, but these are not regarded as drugs. Drugs can be legal and illegal. Similarly, they have both positive and negative health benefits. Normally, men are more illicit drug addicts as compared to women. However, adverse effects are more prominent in women. According to records, 5 to 6% of the total population, or in other words, 1 in every 20 people, is dependent on a drug and suffer from substance abuse. They are now coming to a few terms related to drugs. Let us talk about drug abuse and drug addiction. A person is said to be drug abused when he is habitually taking a drug, particularly illegal ones. Examples include habitually using marijuana, heroin, and cocaine. A drug addict is a person who is found bound with a compulsive intake of drugs despite their negative health effects on their brain. An individual may show temporary improvement and then again addiction to drugs. There are 3 main types of drugs. One is depressants. These drugs slow down the processing in your brain, thus making you feel relaxed and calm. The overdose of depressants can lead to unconsciousness and lack of concentration. Examples of depressants are alcohol and cannabis. The second main type of drugs is hallucinogens. These are the drugs that drive you away from reality and also interfere with logical thinking. Examples are magic mushrooms and cannabis. Stimulants are the third type of drugs that stimulate the central nervous system. It makes us feel more confident and alert in our surroundings. Overdose of stimulants can increase blood pressure, increase heart rates, and promote sleeplessness. Examples of stimulants are caffeine and nicotine. It has been observed that drugs have a long-lasting effect on the human body. Even if a person does not continue their intake, it still has left its health consequences. A drug can be inhaled, digested, and injected into the body. When a drug is administered through an injection, it has rapid effects. Drug ingestion has delayed effects. Now, drugs enhance the production of a neurotransmitter known as dopamine. This chemical produces in the human brain naturally, which sends signals from the body to the brain. It is also responsible for emotion and behavior control. If the dopamine is not within normal range, an individual loses the balance between physical and mental well-being. Here are some side effects of drugs that are related to overdose or inappropriate use of drugs. It changes human behavior, particularly consciousness. Proper functioning of the brain is affected, resulting in poor decision-making and inappropriate way of conduct. Almost every organ of the body is affected due to a weakened immune system. Among all the body organs, liver and kidney are the most affected, as toxic liver disease and kidney failure is common among drug addicts. Heart problems are very prominent in individuals with a high dosage of drugs. These include high blood output, increased heartbeat, palpitation, high blood pressure, and heart attacks. Furthermore, nausea and vomiting are also a consequence of drug imbalance. Abdominal pains associated with changed appetite patterns and weight loss issues are also coming under consideration. Mental confusion, memory, attention span, and decision-making powers are also compromised. All you have to do to avoid all of these issues is to avoid illegal drugs and being habitual of any drug.